opera buildings. It's a tourist attraction in this area. Just look, it spans. I think this is called the Small Bridge in Bath. Amazing. Welcome to Friendly Travels channel. Here is to another travel vlog from Bath. The city of Bath is nestled in the valley of the River Avon, just 97 miles west of London. Bath is the only entire city in the United Kingdom designated as a World UNESCO Heritage Site. We have arrived in Bath Spa. Oh, it's raining. Quite interesting arriving in Bath and it started to rain, but honestly I think the Roman baths just sent out a warm welcome from above. Welcome to Bath. You actually see people here welcoming passengers from the website. There will be some, Let's explore this beautiful city of Bath, and the first stop is the iconic Roman baths. It's one of Bath's top attractions and a true wonder of ancient engineering. I won't dive deep into the details here. There is a full video of Roman baths tour. Make sure you watch it on this channel. We are right in the city center and may as well check out Bath Abbey, which is one of the city's most iconic landmarks, a masterpiece of perpendicular Gothic architecture and a living thread through centuries of history. They offer some brilliant free walking tours, and these are rich in history and charm, perfect for adding to your visit to Bath. However, we're going for our own independent tour of the city. And a few minutes later, here is to our next stop, Putney Bridge and the Grand Parade. Something very interesting about this bridge. It is one of the only 4 bridges in the world with shops stretching across both sides. Putney Bridge isn't just a crossing, it's a destination. Putney Bridge, Riverside. So you can take a picture. If you can't catch the boat, here is to another idea. Why not take a stroll along the River Avon for those picturesque, spectacular views? And here we have Parade Gardens, just steps away from the bustle of the Grand Parade. It feels like Bath's sacred garden. It is a gem by the riverside for a tranquil escape right in the heart of the city with postcard views. Wow, this is like the clock tower. Nice little sensor. I won't film the people, but you can hear the noises. It's quite busy. This is the central part in Bath. That was close. Wow, walking in these streets is amazing. This is the circus. Some amazing circular designs. It isn't a performance venue, it is a circle of elegance. These Georgian townhouses built in the 18th century. Each of the buildings showcases a different classical column, and these are quite iconic. It's a circle of houses, and then you have trees and lawn in the middle where people can just relax and enjoy the spectacular views of the townhouses. Wow. It's easier walking downhill. At Marlborough Buildings, this is an amazing architecture here. We're rolling effortless from one great top attraction to another. We are at Marlborough Buildings. Here, amazing architecture from the 1700s. Look at all these buildings. All the way. Wow, wow. Similar to the circus, this is spectacular architecture. Marlborough Buildings stretch along the edge of Royal Victoria Park, offering postcard views of the crescent itself. Designed and built in the 1790s, Marlborough Buildings are Grade 2 listed. They aren't just a backdrop for Bath, they are now part of Bath's rhythm, quiet, graceful, and full of stories waiting to be told. More for outdoors, there is the Royal Victoria Park and the Botanical Gardens to chill out and explore. Just beyond the curve of the Royal Crescent lies a green expanse that feels like Bath's breathing space. The Royal Victoria Park opened in 1830 by an 11-year-old Princess Victoria, and of today is 57 acres of tree-lined avenues. Let me know if you are finding this little stroll through Bath helpful. Drop a comment or even a flower emoji if the vibe's feeling botanical. Time was a bit tight, so I didn't get to explore the botanical gardens in Royal Victoria Park this time round. If you've been to the botanical gardens, I would absolutely love to hear your tips, favorite corners, seasonal must-sees, or even where to spot that Roman temple replica. I keep hearing whispers about it. So I'm here at the Museum of Bath, and you need tickets to go in. This part of the vlog is more of a gentle wander, just me and the cobbled streets and the camera soaking up the charm as we pass some of the top sides in Bath. You will catch a glimpse of Jane Austen legacy, elegant tea rooms, shops, and interesting places. This is a restaurant. Wow. The flower booth. Green flowers.